Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I recreated this gorgeous makeup look. I love the idea of this cut crease as well as cat eye. That's why if you're interested and if you want to know how I recreated this gorgeous makeup look, then please stay tuned and let's get started. As in primer, I'm using NYX Proof It Eye Primer, blending this all over the lid and moving to my Simple Beauty eyeshadow palette. The orangey transition color goes over the lid. I'm bringing this up to the brow bone. And then I'm moving to a little bit different color. This one is a little bit more intense and this vinegar color goes over my crease area. I like to blend out my eyeshadows first and then create a cut crease. It just depends on what technique is your favorite. And I've decided that the best option is green. The perfect tool to create something precise, in my opinion, is an angle brush. This is basically a brow brush, and at first I'm going really far from my brow tail and then bringing this color really close to the brow bone to my inner corner, but I'm not stopping in the inner corner. I'm actually kind of like prolonging this line to the nose bridge. It actually suits my eye shape a little bit more than different technique, but if you have different eye shape, then it's up to you guys. Then to the brown shade from the same Simple Beauty palette. This one is going to help to diffuse my color into my Morphe M43 blending brush. This one is going to help to blend everything out. I use my makeup remover and some, I don't know, cotton one or whatever, and a little bit of the same green color with brown on the lower lid. To the NYX Proof It Eye Primer, again, I'm priming my lid with the same primer, and then to this really beautiful Beauty Bay eyeshadow palette with this orangey kind of like sparkly color. This one is going to create this beautiful sparkly eyeshadows all over the lid. I think the brown color on the waterline is going to be much better instead of black, because this look is beautiful to create something like to open eyes a little bit more. Last but not least step is black eyeliner. I like this shape, like tiger shape, let's say cat shape, in the inner corner. Of course, some mascara, falsies, and that's it. And that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this small tutorial. I did my best, I tried my best to entertain you and show you this makeup look. I don't know, it's so gorgeous, it's so beautiful that I didn't really want to throw this stuff away. I wanted to show you as a full video recreated for you guys, and I'll see you in one of my next videos. Love you guys. Bye bye.